Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how the anti-inflammatory diet looks in practice. So basically like what I'm eating and how does it look like, because I'm pretty strict when it comes to my anti-inflammatory diet, and I made it a lifestyle. So basically what I'm eating for the breakfast, I don't eat bread, so I don't do sandwiches. Basically, as you can see, I'm just taking like the bowl and put some greens inside, like everything: avocado, some cucumbers, some kale, some spinach. Here in UK we've got the different selection of the salads. It's depending on which shop you go, but usually we have different salads, so I'm just experimenting with the salads. What else? The pumpkin seeds, yes, because the oils are also very important. And I put like a drop of olive oil all over it, all over the bowl. So that's basically my breakfast. For the lunch, I'm eating some fruits or some green juice, which you can see here. Green juice basically is the blend of avocado, of cucumber, of kale, of my green salad, and everything what is green, literally. So I blend this. I started with blending all these greens with some fruits, because for the beginners it might taste a little bit bitter, so you just add the fruit. Now I'm just doing it plain, just the pure vegetables. So that's basically my another intake of vegetables, and that's for the lunch. And for the dinner is either fish with some, for example, sweet potatoes. I don't eat bread, so there is no bread absolutely at all. I very rarely eat potatoes. I do eat them, but not like so much. I actually choose sweet potatoes because they are more anti-inflammatory than normal potatoes, plus they're more easy to digest. So for the dinner, I actually very often eat soup, because we Polish people, we love our soups. We just love our soups, and we've got these soups different than like English people. You English people, I literally came to this country and your soup is like water, flavored water with nothing. We Polish people, we don't do soups like this. No, we've got like big chunks of things in the soup. So you're literally eating a lot of vegetable with a soup, with a flavor. And that's pretty much what I'm eating. For some of you might think like, what, woman, you're not eating much, but this is basically what I'm eating. If I eat too much, I will just feel not well. It's basically how my body always function. I always been like a very slim girl. Like all my childhood they've been telling me I'm way too skinny, because this is literally how my body operates. Everyone is different, only because I'm eating like 3 meals a day, it doesn't mean that you have to eat 3 meals a day, because when you're hungry, I want you to go and eat. No one ever got fat or got inflamed from eating fruits or from eating the vegetables. I actually make free resources on my website, so go check to www.jolaaljagbir.com. There is the section called the free resources over there. So just hit in there and just download whatever you want. I make it things like very nicely in the checklist, in the PDFs. So just go and help yourself with everything if you don't know, which specific fruits or which specific vegetables to use. They are superfoods. Like for example, I love spinach and I love kale, and I'm using them every single day, the same as broccoli and cauliflower. I'm using them very often. Does that mean that I cannot eat anything else, or I cannot have a chocolate, or I cannot have a cheesecake or ice cream? What do you think? What do you think? Wait, I'm actually gonna have crispy waffles, which is pure refined sugar. And you might think like, yeah, wait a second, but you told me you don't eat refined sugar. You told me to never eat refined sugar. Girl, not never, okay? Anti-inflammatory diet, when you make it a lifestyle, you must understand that when you eat 80% of good things, you can allow yourself for 20% of the bad things. And it's gonna be fine, you know. You're not gonna get bloated, you're not gonna get flare-ups, your illness not gonna come back all of a sudden. It's just gonna be fine. And why is this? Because your body got enough of good things to metabolize and deal with this occasional bad things. Seriously. And I hope that little video helped. I'm so grateful of having 100 subscribers. Like, my God, if you're introvert, you know how much does it mean for us. Like, seriously, it means so much. I'm so humbled that you actually stop here, because I'm showing up as myself, like literally with no makeup, with hair, with the glasses which are just dropping on my face, because why not? Why not? This is literally life. And you know, I think we've got too many fake people in the internet and too many people who are trying so hard to be perfect, and you don't really need to try that hard to be relatable and to make people actually notice you. It's just enough that you're yourself. So I really encourage all of you to be yourself, because we are amazing exactly the way we are, even without amazing backdrops hiding our walls or our flags, or without the makeup or without made up hair. We are all fine. If you like this video, click the like button, share it, and subscribe, and tell others to come, because this is the one and only No Bollocks channel. All about health, all about biohacking, and all about natural healing. I will see you next Monday. I love you all. Bye.